Hello, welcome to the Mibtree FirewallOne demo. Here in this demo I will be telling you about our new product which will allow you to control and manage the Windows Firewall centrally. In the Endpoint Manager console on the left we have the domain bar. First, the Mibtree FirewallOne filter is selected. Next, the Firewall Events dashboard. Here you can see the events that have happened in the last day for a particular computer or all computers. It is possible to select a group or a computer name, or it's possible to also do a regex to search for specific events. In this example, I am searching for the protocol UDP, a source address, and a port, along with a specific computer. We click Generate Report. Now, as you can see, the results are visible below for all events matching the criteria selected. This is the protocol, the source, and finally the port chosen. Next is the Firewall Rule Wizard, which allows policies to be created or an existing policy to be edited. Here I select an existing policy with 2 rules already created. Clicking on a rule definition shows the current options which can be modified and updated. Going back, I choose the option for create a new policy. Here I delete the rule by first selecting the rule and then clicking the minus sign. For adding a rule, it is possible to select different options for this. In this case, I'm going to change the rule to have a dynamic variable so it automatically goes to the program files no matter what system you're talking about. This will happen by the IBM Endpoint Manager client using relevance in order to determine the path. Once the rule has been defined, I can simply click Add Rule. What is visible here is the ability to create different rule types. When selecting types, they have options that are specific to that type of rule, such as what profile this applies to, which direction, whether to block or allow, what protocol. Also, you can specify which interface that this will apply to. Once ready, I click the Next, and here I choose the policy name so that it is unique, and then click Finish. The task is automatically generated, and I can save it in a custom site, in this case the Windows Firewall. Next, I see the action script that is generated and the relevance that was also generated by the dashboard. By selecting Configuration, I can see rules that were created in the past. In this case, I see BigFix Console, Enable Logging. When I select a specific policy and click to deploy, I now can choose which computers to deploy to. This can be an individual computer or computers, or I can select by a retrieved property and have this determined automatically. So I can say all systems matching Windows 7 will enforce this rule on those devices. Thank you for watching our demo, and you can find us at www.mibtree.com.